someone that day said, you're getting kind of thin on top, Vinny. And I just thought it was guys being guys. Well, I kind of snuck away to the bathroom and I had a look, you know, I was like, oh. And I saw that U shape starting to happen, right? I still had hair, but I saw the U shape starting to happen, that male pattern baldness. Wow, yeah. I'm Vince, and my friends call me Vinny, and I'm wearing the M106 hairpiece that I purchased from Superhairpieces. I was at a pool party. Believe it or not, I was at a pool party. And when I got out of the pool, someone at the party said, you're kind of thin on top. And honestly, I never really noticed it before. I mean, I've taken showers and never really noticed it because I wasn't looking for it. Funny thing, a relative of mine was as bald as a bowling ball one day. And the next time I saw him, he had these beautiful locks. And I'm like, what? So I took him aside and I says, what's happening here? And he says, well, this is, it's called the hair system. And I'm like, But from that time, from the pool party to the time that the relative kind of filled me in, it was all baseball hats. Baseball hats, baseball hats, baseball hats. From the time I got up to the time I went to bed. Just one of those guys that can never accept the fact. You know, being a child of the 80s, I had long hair in high school, and losing it wasn't, I wasn't a big fan of that. Going back to September, that was when I got my first system, and watching the process being done, and going from, like, my sides and my back are my hair, is, you know, biological hair. The funny thing is the reason what really sped up the thought of getting it done was my daughter's wedding. And I didn't want to be the bald guy, the bald father. And so that kind of says, okay, I'm going to do it. This is the time to do it. Because you know what? You're not going to be able to wear a baseball cap. At that point, it was a no-brainer. And I could look at the pictures from that day and I'm full of joy because I'm not that bald guy in the pictures. I'm the guy rocking the hair in that picture. It's a game changer. I'm putting it lightly, but confidence shoots through the roof. You could lose your baseball caps. If you're like me and you can't accept it, then you need to do something. And if you want something that's affordable and something that goes from no hair to hair in a matter of an hour, then this is what you got to do. And it'll bring back everything you've ever hoped for. It's that worth it. I like the fact that Superhairpieces is local. Some of the other ones, they were order online and this and that. Well, I like to see what I'm getting without having to go through the return process. Superhairpieces, you come for a consultation, you got the greatest people doing this. They make the recommendation, they order your piece comes, it's installed, and it's hip hip hooray from that day on. The people at Superhairpieces, I'm telling you, they're very well trained, and it shows in their workmanship. It shows that they care. You could see it on my stylist. You could see her do her thing. She cares. Funny thing, you know, maybe that's the way I see it. Maybe not every guy, but wearing sunglasses is cool again, right? Wearing sunglasses with full head of hair is cool again. That's the way I see it. Honestly, like, I can't recommend it enough. I can't recommend it enough.